yes, it's me, Tuvalu! And yes, we'll be listening to my ESA song, which is Sky Pop or Blood. Hello, I'm Fiji. Ouch! Ow! Ouch! Owie! Goodbye, Fiji. Good. Good beat to it, too. Hello, Naruto. Naruto! Ow! Ow! That hurt. What are we listening to today? My essay. Yeah, what? My essay. You mean the funky music? Yeah. Hello, New Zealand, you're forgotten. What did you just say? I'm gonna go cry. It was just a... Never mind. Oh, man. Oh, hello, Indonesia. Hello, I'm Indonesia. Let's try the first time. Come on. Ah! Owie. She'll be back again. Oh, hello, Tonga. Is it Tonga time? I think it's Tonga time. Ah! Oh, wait. Oh, man, it's popping again. So, is Kiribati gonna come? Yeah, Kiribati is gonna come pretty soon. Hello, I'm Indonesia. Let's try this for the second time. Oh! Owie! How dare you squish me? Hello, it's my brother, Vanuatu. I'm in Vanuatu! Oh! Ow! Hey! Uh-oh. You pushed up Tuvalu! How dare you! I didn't mean to do that. I'm in Indonesia. Let's try this for through. Ah! Ow! How dare you! How dare you squish me? I'm Samoa! Oh! Oh, that hurts so bad. I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to push off Tuvalu. You should be ashamed of yourself for pushing off Tuvalu. Yeah. I didn't mean to push him off. Hello, I'm Papua New Guinea. Ah! Sure! Is this a remix? I'm confused. I'm Kiribati! Yes! I'm the coolest state in the world! I'm the coolest country in the world! And I love the most, everybody! Yes! Dang, Kiribati, you look like you're having fun, aren't you? Yes, I am having fun! Oh. Owie, how dare you! Let's go back to the original one. Ah! Owie! Dare you? Hey, dude, it's me! Australia! Oh! How dare you, Australia? You squashed me! How dare you? Hello, it's my cousin. I'm Indonesia! Ah! Dead. How many Kiribatis? Oh my god! That's big. Never mind. Ah, man, you! Look what you done. You smushed Tuvalu. He's still up there. We need him. Hey, martial art. Don't worry, guys. I'll kill her. Ah! Yay. Oh my god, it's another Kiribati! The Kiribatis rule! Yay, Kiribatis! Kiribatis rule the world. Kiribatis rule the world. No, they do not. How dare you say that? Ah! This is like the second Indonesia in a row! Or the third, I guess. I'm popping again! Ah! Oh, that hurt. Wow. Hello, it's me! Mulao! Ah! Oh my god, we got second. We got third Indonesia, fourth Indonesia. I'm Indonesia. Ow! Owie! Whoop! Ow! There goes the... Nah, man. Whatever. Hello, it's my sister here, Somali Islands. I'm the Somali Islands! Oh my god. I can see that. It has a good beat to it, too. Yeah, because this is Tuvalu's essay song. Oh yeah, it is. I forgot. I think it's about to end, so I'm going to change it back. Yay. 8. Hey, Samoanites! Hello, I'm back! Thanks a lot, Indonesia, for pushing me off a while ago when I was talking to my friend, Naruto. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. Hey, Tuvalu's back! Watch him dance. Bump, 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 bump. Wow, Tuvalu, you got a good dancing moves. Thank you, because I've been practicing on my ESA song. Ow! I hope I don't die this time. Oh my God! Hello, I'm the 4th Indonesia. Let's try this again. Ow! Yay! This is like the 4th Indonesia. Look at this canyon here we're making. Oh my God, it's my sister. I'm doing what? It's like a cave. Like, literally, it's a cave. Wow. And there's the 5th Indonesia. I'm the 5th Indonesia. Yeah, we did it. Yeah. This is my sister's too. Imagine if we get Tuvalu or Kiribati. I'm Papa Nagini. Play again. Ah! Owie. Hello, Seychelles. I'm Naruto. I'm not Seychelles. How dare you? Hello, it's me, New Zealand. Yes, I'm back from after crying in Antarctica. I'm back. Hello, New Zealand. Shush. Shush, please. I don't want to hear you. Oh, hi, BG. You have my water? I don't have water. Oh, wait. Where's my water at? Hey, Vanuatu. I'm so sorry for pushing off Tuvalu last episode. Ow! How dare you always push me up? I didn't mean to do that. Oh man, we can have my brother. I'll show you. Don't be mad at him. He'll come back someday. Yeah, like what he ever did. I'm gonna let's try this for the first time. I guess it failed for me. Nope. 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 Try this again with the other song. Oh my gosh. Okay, good. I'm below! Oh! Hello, Somalian Island. My butt! Ellie, it's almost 10 minutes. Nice. Hello, Micronesia! Hello, Micronesia! Oh! Ellie! I'm like a brother to Kiribati. I think Tong is his brother. What? What do you mean he's your brother? I'm his brother. No, Tong is his brother because he likes hanging out on his island. Oh man, that's sad. I want to be invited. It's my I'm back. Oh! In Micronesia, you look like eggs. Yes, I know I look like eggs. I look like seeds. Owie! No, sister, don't fall off. I won't. Yay. Hey, Kiribati, am I your brother? No. But what? Tong is my brother because he hangs out on my tip over here. Now let's make some crazy witch magic! Kiribati, you had too much soda, did you? I don't care! Time to create some magic! Boom! Yeah. Yeah. I'm Indonesia. Wait, I'm in Papua New Guinea. Whoa. Whoa. No! Don't Kiribati! Yeah. Also, we haven't seen Tuvalu yet. He should be coming in a minute. Oh, there's a second Indonesia. Let's try this for the second time. Yay. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, hello, Tuvalu. You're back. I'm Tuvalu. My capital is not Tuvalu City. Yeah. Almost 10 minutes. I'm Indonesia. I'm back. Whoa. Whoa. Please. Mommy. Ah! Dead. Oh! And I guess we're gonna end the episode here. Or just go make Tuvalu dance. I'm Tuvalu! Yes, I am Tuvalu. Hello, I am Tuvalu, and this is my ESA song. Just listening to me until 11 minutes. So how's your day, Sam? Yes, I know I could have Kiribati out, but Kiribati's not there. So I'm just gonna take his spot here, and I'm gonna just end the episode here. Hello guys, my name is Tuvalu. And yes, today you did watch my Tuvalu essay. I'm very happy. Thank you. And now I'm gonna end it off with my friends. I'm Australia. I'm New Zealand. Please don't say I'm forgotten or I'll cry in Antarctica went. I'm Fiji. Is it Tonga time? I think it's Tonga time. I'm the tiniest and the obesiest. I'm Micronesia. I'm Papua New Guinea. Yeah. I'm the Somalian Islands. Yes. Alright. And I'm Tuvalu. And I think Australia. I think New Zealand. I'm Indonesia. I'm also in Asia and Oceania at the same time. Yay. Anyways, viewers, goodbye. And I'm Tuvalu, and this is me tuning out. This is me. I'm tuning out. Bye. Yay.